Hello, in this video we know about how many methods are in AutoCAD to draw a line. There are three methods in AutoCAD to draw a line. First, using a absolute coordinate system means the origin point is 0, 0, and second is relative using relative coordinate system, and third is a polar coordinate system. So we've discuss about our first absolute coordinate system. Using a absolute coordinate system, draw a line. So first, to draw a line with a using a relative coordinate system, we place L, enter, and specify first point. We take a 10, enter comma and 10 and enter. And second point, we enter here second point, second coordinates means second coordinates 20 comma 20 and enter. So we look out, we show a line. This line is drawn by using a absolute coordinating system. Now we erase this, and now we discuss about second method to draw a line, relative coordinate using relative coordinate system. For this, type L, enter, specify the first point. We take 10 comma 10, and there are some but in a relative coordinate system, we take a origin point of first point of add as a origin point. So for this, for relative using relative coordinate system, we press in a keyboard shift and 2, we add the rate means add the rate and enter. In x coordinate 20 and y coordinate we enter 0. So we show the line draw x-axis only, and now we draw a third now I draw a line with polar coordinate system. So enter in keyboard L and enter, and specify the first corner point. We enter 5 comma 5, enter, and here asking the length of a line. We take here 20 and press tab in a keyboard, and we now show the angle changing when I move the cursor. You click in your you want angle, but you enter. Now here I enter 60 and enter. Now you are know about three method of drawing a line in AutoCAD. Thank you.